Ano ba mas maganda? Pag-ibig MP2 or life insurance? Sa Pag-ibig MP2, this is a saving programs para sa mga Pag-ibig member who wish to have more savings and dividends. Ang minimum savings nila dito ay 500 pesos. Their money is locked in for 5 years pero pwede silang kumuha ng dividends every year kung gusto naman nila, or pwede nilang kunin yung interest plus the dividends at the end of the maturity date, which is 5 years. Kung gusto mo ng short-term money, you can have MP2 savings. Kaso pagkatapos ng 5 years, magugulog ka malong ulit. Ang life insurance naman is more comprehensive in such a way it is long-term and more permanent. Ina-address nito ang mga different issues, halimbawa income protection or health protection, o kaya naman you wanted to use your insurance for life milestones or for education purpose para sa iyong mga anak. Kumbaga, you cannot compare an orange to an apple. Si MP2 is good for a short-term savings na pwede mo makuha agad ang pera mo, pero kung gusto mo mas malaki ang coverage, mas mataas ang protection, you go with life insurance. They are both equally important. They are both equally addresses issues or addresses yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve on a certain period.